Hi everyone, Rachel from 360 Life Safety here to talk to you about the products that developed our trauma line, our mTAKs, or the different variations in our trauma aid kits. Mass casualty incidents can happen at any time or anywhere. We see it almost every day when we turn on the news. It can happen in severe weather storms, earthquakes, or fire. We see it with vehicle accidents, workplace accidents, or active assailants. Whether the incident is nature-made or man-made, having a trauma kit gives you the ability to immediately offer care to victims when you only have seconds to spare and help is often minutes away. When we began developing our mTAK product line, we wanted to expand on the American College of Surgeons' great program of Stop the Bleed. Alongside of military medics and first responder protocol, we added a few products that allow an immediate responder the ability to not only stop the bleed in a limb with a tourniquet, but also pack joints for deep lacerations where tourniquets cannot be applied, and the means to address a compromising chest wound. With our iTAK and our mTAK, we can address all of these issues as well as assist with additional support products. We have PPE with gloves, safety glasses, and CPR masks, as well as several types of bandaging products and emergency blankets. Our iTAK stands for Individual Trauma Aid Kit and can treat 1 to 3 victims depending on the nature of the injuries. The mTAK, standing for Multiple Trauma Aid Kit, can treat 5 to 15 victims per kit, again depending on the nature of the injury. The iTAK and the mTAK's wall-mounted enclosures can create a safety station when added with an AED or fire extinguisher. This product is already being utilized in many schools, businesses, government buildings, and houses of worship. Mounting this life-saving product to your wall ensures it never grows legs and walks away when you need it. It becomes highly visible, and the blue tamper tag and the inspection cards ensure the kit's integrity and proper maintenance. All of our trauma kits have a unique serial number that upon registration provide you access to our training videos. Additionally, we'll send you an email when your perishable items approach their expiration date, allowing you to always be prepared for the unforeseen, where you learn, work, play, and pray. You can learn more about our products at www.360lifesafety.com.